Welcome to this Bolddesk tutorial for beginners. In this video I'll show you exactly how to use Bolddesk for ticketing and for kind of support requests. So first you'll want to actually set up an account on Bolddesk, and when you're logged in it will look like this. So here you can see my tickets and tickets I'm CC'd on. Now in this case we don't have any tickets created yet, so what we will need to do is to click on to create ticket in the top right corner and then actually create a ticket. Here we can enter in this subject. So for example, I don't know, let's just say support ticket #1. We can give this a description. This support ticket is just for testing purposes. We can drop files here up to 20 megabytes. As you can see, we can enter CCs, so we can separate multiple email addresses using semicolons. So we would have email@email.com, semicolon, second email, so just like that. Now in this case we can select a type as well, so query, incident, feature request, let's say this is an incident, and then a category. So this is sample category, so we can select sample category 1 or sample category 2. I'll show you how to change the categories in just a second. So here we can click on stay on page if we would like to stay on the support ticket page, and then we can click on create. You can see ticket created successfully, and we're now on this support or in this support ticket. So you can see the title, ticket ID, the requester, and the created date. Here we can now add messages. So for example, hello, how may I help? For example, click on update and we've updated this ticket. Now, if the issue has been resolved, you can just reply and you can update and close the ticket, because that would, happy to help if the issue has been resolved. If you click on update and close ticket, then you can see that the ticket has been closed and the status has changed to closed as well. So by basically clicking on, you can see there's only update now, but by clicking on update and close, the ticket will be closed and the problem basically seems to be solved. So we can also print our ticket if wanted. And now let's get back to our dashboard. And here we can see the support ticket that we have right here. We can export these tickets, and then we can also go to our profile settings. So let's see, that's loading. And in here you can see there's lots of information. So now let me walk you through this. So here, those are first your personal settings. So general information like full name, display name, signature, roles and access, change password, API keys and apps that you can integrate. In this case, I won't change any of that. Here, if you click on home, you can see the assigned tickets, the customer satisfaction, if customers give kind of ratings. And then we have pending, response due tickets, resolution due, created tickets, requested tickets, etc., etc. We can even see the closed tickets. You can see here we only have one closed ticket. We don't have any that are pending or on hold. Excuse me. And then we have our tickets on the left. So you can see my pending tickets, my resolution overdue. Those are all these kind of statuses that you can filter. But you can see we don't have any tickets yet. We only have one closed ticket. So that's why it says no tickets found. Let's go to activities. Here we can see all activities. And you can see there are no activities as of right now, because obviously we have an empty dashboard. Then we have contacts. So then there we have contacts and contact groups. Usually you'll have contacts, and here you can even add contacts. These are basically just your customers that have some kind of problem, for example. So that way you can add contacts, and you can even add contact groups. And if you click on create contact group, you could enter in a group name, a domain, an address. So for example, verified contacts whose email addresses contain these domains will be automatically added to this contact group. So for example, if they're like Gmail emails and you enter in gmail.com, then all people that you add that have a gmail.com email will be added to this group automatically. Then we have KB. I think this is just knowledge base. Yes, if you have any problems, you can read here. Then we have reports. You can create reports here by clicking on create. However, that's a little more advanced. So as you can see, you'll be able to see graphs and lots of information, lots of data about your tickets. Then we have approvals assigned to me and requested by me, in this case still none. And then we have admin settings again. Here I want to show you I want to show something, field and forms. So here we have all our labels. Then we have, let's see if we can find category. Here is category, and here we can also change our category. So you saw before that we had sample category 1 and sample category 2. We could also create a new category as well, or you can change the categories and change the sorting of these. Then if you click on action, you can edit, delete, or move to bottom. And we can also add drop down values. I think those are the categories. So let's say category #11, click on add, and now you can see we have added category 11 as well. So that's how to update your categories as well. And honestly, you can see there are many different things on the left. Ticket automation, auto assignments, work schedules, webhooks, your agents. In this case, we don't have any agent. I am the only agent. If you want to add new agents, you can do that here as well. So there's lots of things in here, and I just kind of suggest you that you click through this and take a look at it yourself. But that's everything you need to know about Bolddesk. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you for watching.